At Plookpanya School, our kindergarten students in the international program are learning English through fun and creative activities.
Yes, this one for the hands. Side. Okay, and now about the head. On the top. Yeah, you can
Today, they are especially excited because they are going to make their own DIY robots. These hand-on activity not only sparking their imagination, but it also helps them learn English through a playful and engaging way. In the DIY robot activity, children can choose from a variety of materials to build their own robots based on their imagination.
First we have, do you know this? What's this? Huh? Oh, these are tissue rolls.
At the same time,
okay.
children use English to communicate their ideas by expressing their needs and explaining their choices.
It's a kitchen robot. Kin? Yes, a kin has a clean bot. Thank you, robot.
While they're working on their creations, the children also show kindness and teamwork, often watching their friends and even help with selecting materials they think would suit someone else. When the robot is finally complete, the children practice presenting their work with pride. So, learning through integrated English activities allow the children to have fun and develop all-round skills in language, thinking, and imagination.